In this lesson, I'll show you how I enhanced both of the photos in Camera Raw. I've opened both of the photos in Adobe Bridge. Adobe Bridge is great for managing files and being able to open photos in Camera Raw. Camera Raw is a Photoshop plugin. So once you enhance the photos in Camera Raw, we can open it up in Photoshop to make it into a Photoshop document. I took both of the photos in color, but I desaturated them to make them black and white in Camera Raw. Let's open both these photos in Camera Raw. In Adobe Bridge, right-click on the photo, and then click on Open with Camera Raw. They're both going to open up in Camera Raw. I'll work with this image first. On the right side, open up the Color module and take the Saturation tab all the way to the left to remove the color. And then let's go to the Light tab. I want to darken the background more to give it more drama. Let's take the shadows to the left to see what that does. Let's bring the contrast to the right to see what that does. That's looking pretty cool. I like those settings. I'm going to keep them. Let's go to the other photo. We'll go to the Color module and bring the saturation to the left to make it black and white. Let's take the contrast to the right all the way. And when we do that, it's hard to see some of the details in the hair and in the shirt. So let's take the shadows out to try to see some of those details. Let's take the whites to the right just a little bit to brighten the skin, so that skin is light against the dark hair, the dark shirt, and the gray tone background. Select both of the photos by pressing Shift to select both photos, and then click on the button that says Open on the bottom right. When we open from Camera Raw, it will open up our photos in Photoshop. Let's save both of these photos as Photoshop files. File, Save As. Click on the arrow next to the Where will open up the dialog box. Navigate to the desktop. Make sure that your format is Photoshop, and then you can save this file as whatever the file name is, .psd, and press Save. Do the same thing to all of your photos after you've enhanced them in Camera Raw, so you can submit that for this assignment.